Chapter 4 Playing with Keyboard. Deepak, hey Naina, do you remember how we typed our names? Did you know that you can also play games using the keyboard? Naina, I know, but I am really amazed by all these different keys. Let's learn how to use them. In this chapter, we will see tap on the keyboard. Here come the special keys. Tap on the keyboard. The keyboard is an important part of the computer. It is an input device. It is used for playing games and typing. Pressing the keys on the keyboard shows the output or results on the screen. Are you aware the official name of the keyboard is QWERTY, QWERTY. Look at the top row of the alphabets on most keyboards and you shall know why. Using the keyboard to write is called typing. Whatever is typed is called a character. Types of keys. Do you know how many types of keys are there on the keyboard? There are alphabets, numbers, arrows, symbols and special keys. Let's meet these keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Alphabet keys are used to type letters. Let's see hello is typed. In the figure 3, the keys to type hello are H, E, L and O. You will see that L is pressed twice. When you practice typing, you see where all the keys are placed. Then typing words is easy. Explore. You can improve your typing speed by practicing. Start with small letters, your name and short sentences. The blinking text cursor. The text cursor is a line that shows where the next character will appear while typing. This is the blinking cursor. This is figure number 4. The text cursor always moves to the end of the character that you just typed. Number keys. Number keys are used to type numbers. A desktop keyboard has 2 sets of number keys. One set is just above the alphabets. These keys are given in the order of 1 to 9 ending with the 0 key here. The other set is on the right side of the keyboard here. Laptop keyboards have less number of keys than desktop keyboards. Most of them have only one set of number keys to save space. Here come the special keys. You know that the basic keys for typing. What about the other keys? Keys other than alphabets and numbers are called special keys. Let's meet some special keys. Caps lock key. Alphabets show up as small letters while typing. To type capital letters, press the caps lock key. Figure number 7 here. If you press the key again, the alphabets typed will be small. Again when you press, it will be small. Without caps lock, this one. With caps lock, this is the capital letter. Arrow keys. These keys have arrows pointing in 4 directions. This one. Arrow keys let you move the text cursor up, down, right and left on the screen. To move up, press the up arrow key. To move right, press the right arrow key. To move left, press the left arrow key. To move down, press the down arrow key. Next comes the control key. Spot the control keys. This is CTRL on the keyboard here. The control key can do many actions such as find, copy and save files. Shift key. Shift key is also used with other keys and helps in typing. Did you notice that some number keys have curious characters? These are called symbols. These are symbols. To type these symbols, you need to press the shift key, then the symbol key. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. Locate them. Enter key. The enter key lets you add a new line while typing. It also helps to open files, images, videos and folders. This is a new line. Then comes the space bar key. See the longest key without a letter? This is called a space bar. If you press it when you need to add a space between the words. This is a space bar key. Backspace key. If you made a mistake while typing, don't worry, you can remove it easily. The backspace key removes the character to the left of the text cursor. Before backspace, this is after backspace. Delete key. The delete key removes the characters to the right side of the text cursor. It can also delete files in a folder. Page up key. The page up key lets you move to the previous page. When you press this key, the text cursor goes to the previous page. Page down key. The page down key lets you move to the next page. When you press this key, the text cursor goes to the next page. All these keys let you play games and type. Practicing on the keyboard will make you typing hero. Tech terms. Keyboard. It is an important device that is used for playing games and typing. Alphabet keys. These are used for typing letters. Text cursor. It is a line that shows where the next character will appear. It blinks when you stop typing. Number keys. They are used to type numbers. Special keys. These are the keys other than alphabets and number keys. Notepad. Skills achieved. Identifying different types of keys on a keyboard. Typing text using the alphabets and number keys. Using the special keys. The keyboard. Concepts learned. The keyboard is an input device used for playing games and typing. Alphabet keys are used to type letters and numbers. Number keys are used to type numbers. The text cursor shows where the next character will appear. Some of the special keys on the keyboard are arrow keys, control key, shift key, enter key, spacebar key, backspace key, delete key, page up key. Then comes the workout. Multiple choice question. Which key do you use to type words? It is the alphabet key. You can move the text cursor in 4 directions using the arrow key. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? It is the space bar. To type numbers, what type of keys would you use? It is the number keys. The dash, that is the page down key, lets you go to the next page. Fill in the blanks. The cursor is a blinking line that shows where the next character will appear. You can move up using the up arrow key. The backspace key removes characters to the left of the text cursor. You can add a new line using enter key. Letters, numbers or symbols on the keyboard are called characters.